it. How would you describe the experience that you want to create for customers?
Customers are demanding more from us. They're demanding more ways to interact with that brand and to get services and value from their products. How do we take that warm experience when they walk into an actual brick and mortar location and provide that same value or access online? It's the technology and it's the people, but the technology is one of the biggest enablers, right? Having their personal authenticated experience on our website so that they have specifics around how they are managing their equipment and the products that they have with us, managing the features that they have with us, right?
Okay, so you clearly love what you do.
I do.
I gotta ask why? Why on earth do you do what you do? Because it is not easy.
I look at myself, like where I come from, people don't say I want to be a digital marketer, I want to be an experience maker, right? But I have a unique opportunity to be an experience maker. Everyone is entitled to have that brand experience, whether up or down, left or right, whoever they are, they should have the best brand experience because the best experience is equitable for everybody. I'm a tech geek, I'm a data geek, and you may see that from me. I'm passionate about like how we show up for people and how we grow people through all that we do. So giving back is important for me. Developing young people is important for me. It's important because someone took the time to do that for me, honestly.